Kopano, it's unity with people living with disability. We started to create a job for the people living with disability so that they can buy their own house, their own cars, so that even the family, they can stay properly. If he or she can't work, and then we allow their families so that they can come and work for them. Piet Engelbrecht, he is the one advising us to say the cash crop is not in a good standard here at Mabulol because it's too hot. We make an agreement with Piet, and then he started to suggest the permanent crop, which is lemon. We started to go to FNB so that FNB can assist us. And then right now we've got the loan. We are doing very well. It's already changed the community. At least they can put a bread on the table so that they can eat. Right now we are fantastic, we are excellent. We can't say much, but you can see even our faces so that we are glowing, we are very good. The vision we can see right now, Kopano is growing. It's already growing right as we are speaking. We want to just thank FNB very much, as there are a lot of farmers that they are struggling like us. They can assist the others because we can see the good relationship with FNB.